They don't want my banana. Wow, they're gone. Wow. Yeah, wow. We had some monkeys there blocking the road. Very nice. I'm in the park. Where's the name of the park? Park Nokola. Ah. Oh, he's feeding them. Okay. I see. Oh, wow. Hey. Wait, look. They've got some big ones over there. The big ones I'm not trying to play with. Ah. Hey, you could give me some bread. Huh? La femme.
Oui, femme.
Ah. No. I don't have food. He has food. Nom la forêt.
Hein?
Nom la forêt.
Forêt, oui, c'est la forêt.
Ah, nom. Name.
Nom la forêt.
Yeah.
Pas compris, hein?
Park. Yeah. Okay.
Parc national de Niokolo-Koba.
Niokolo-Koba. Ah, wow. So I've got some monkeys here. Now this one had babies. Good catch. Hey. We got the big boys over there. Ah. Grand. Très grand. He's telling me it's safe to go over there. They have some big monkeys over there. I'm not trying to be white popular to give you footage. If you want footage, come to this park. The small ones are coming forward, but the big ones are over there. If they attack me, you know what? I hear you people asking for footage, so I'm going to give you footage. No, that big one is coming. That big one is coming. Okay, that big one. I'm tempted, but I'm afraid. I'm not lying. know they look small to you. Not these little small ones. But there's some big ones over there. Boy, they get mad at me. You know? I live one life, but I don't want monkey to take my life. So, let me go buy the big monkeys. Yo, big man, I go buy the big monkey. I'm afraid. I'm afraid. Oh, I'm afraid. Okay. Yeah, he's smart. He's moving. Yo! They're big. No, man. The alpha males are big. They're bigger than me. Yee. They're big. I'll try to... Yo, what you see on TV is crap. On TV can't show you how big they are. This camera can't show you how big they are. They're big. They're big. Thank you. Because I was shitting myself coming over here to film you. For these people's entertainment. No man, these monkeys are big. And I like, you know, honestly I like how they are here. I would never go to a zoo to see any animals. Never, ever, 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 ever. Never, ever would I go to a zoo. This is perfect. You want to see animals? Come to Africa, natural habitat. It's better than seeing them all caged and taking shots every week to survive for your entertainment. No, it's rubbish. But these boys are big. They're big. They're the small ones I can play with. The big ones, not so much. Well, I gave the park ranger a ride over here. So, yeah. They're big, man. They're too big. Wonder if I can go up here and see some big ones. Hey, okay, they have some up here. Well, you want footage? Let me give you some footage. Don't move. Don't move. Look, I'm trying to give you the footage, but these big monkeys are moving, which is smart on their behalf because I'm afraid of them. Because the strongest man thinks he's stronger than a monkey, he'll get his kick. Ah, they're running. They're running. Do I smell? They're gone. So that's it for the monkey tour. And these guys over here beating their friend. For the fun of it. They're beating their friend. They're beating him. But it's all fun, it's not fight. They play fighting. Africa is nice. Oh, I hit that thing hard, man. I hit it hard. But yeah, this is a truck stop next to the post. All of this orange dust. You know, I washed this down before I left. Look at the color now. Yeah, I'm going. Yeah, Kidogo.
Oh non, c'est pas à Kidougou. Comme ça. I am.
Comme ça.
L'antenne.
Ah.
À l'intérieur.
Okay, where? You go. Okay, wow. Still in the park, and I would tell anybody this is not wise. Do not come and do this. Yeah, I'm an idiot. This is a national park, so if you're not here with a ranger, do not come and do what the hell I'm doing, which is stupid. In there you've got lions, no, tigers, yeah, black panther, your favorite snakes, elephant, which is good. So they burn the grass at the edge so you can get a clear view, but this side is not burnt. So as you can see, there's nothing here but me, but everything's going to be okay. Alright, I'm getting my ass out of here. It's very uneasy. For your entertainment, come here. I'm done. My nerves are shot. Later.